Hi and welcome to Add More Zest with Diamonds. My name's Rebecca and I've got some items to share with you today from DIY Digital Art. They were kind enough to send me these so that I can show you all. So I'm going to start with the smaller one. Find my scissors. They're in here somewhere. I actually cleaned these scissors as well. Go me. Okay. See if I can get in it. So the first smaller one, look, letter R for Rebecca. There is quite a few different, well, of course there's 26 different letters available that are this sort of background and style. There's a couple of different other styles as well. So if you want some initial paintings, do check them out. It does have 310, of course. That's the background to make it pop. But there's quite a few different colours built in. So if you look at this at the bottom of the letter R, there's quite a few different colours built in there, which will bring some nice shading. And then, of course, there's some on the flowers. It's a 30 by 30. So it's not too much black to do. And it is just short of 25 centimetres by just short of 25 once completed. It does come with DMC numbers, comes with a basic toolkit, and let's have a look. How many bags of 310 do we actually end up with? So we end up with 5 bags of 310, though they're not all hugely full. We have some lilacs, of course purples, greens, peaches and pinks to make up the flowers, and of course the letter R as well. What's the main colours in the letter? Let's have a look. So let's go for Z and V. So number 6, okay, number 6, number 9. So it does end up being that sort of tone. That's the 2 down the middle. There is then also number 11 as well, which is sort of the darker colour. So that's sort of the 3 colours, though they go in a different order, of course. The 3 different colours that make up the letter, which are rather nice. And I'm trying to fold this up the same way they had it, and that's not working. Okay, that's half worked. I have no idea how they folded that one up. And then, say we do have those as well. Can't remember if I showed them. So I can do my initial at some time with some pretty flowers. Number 2, let's go for this one. Let's see if this is similar to the last one I got in a bag like this. Was a square, which this one looks to be, and it did come with baggies. And this one is the same style. So this is a 40 by 30. Ooh, there's a lot of red in that one. It comes with 35 colours, and the painting is actually orientated that way. However, the symbols are orientated this way. It is poured glue, which is nice. Often other suppliers that do one similar to this aren't poured glue, and it's closer to being true to size if it's the same as my last one. So yeah, this one is actually 39 centimetres by 29 centimetres. So you only lose 1 centimetre, even though the border is bigger than that. It has 35 colours, so there is a really nice amount of colours in there, considering there's a lot of red. We do get the upgraded toolkit. So there's a couple of multi-placers, there's some tweezers, there's a pen grip, a lot more wax, and a white boat. And then let's have a look. So I'm expecting a few of these to be low in the amount of diamonds that you get, and some of them are. So so you only get a few of those. But there is definitely one that we have a lot of. So 606 we get a lot of. And then let me move them off the painting so that you can see. So 606 we get loads, it's in a bigger bag. But then some of them, like 934, it says there's 62 in here. I'd say there's more than 62. The canvas says that we need 55 of those diamonds. We've also got quite a few of 150. It says we only need 66 of those. Got some really nice different colours and shading in there. You do need to like red to do this picture though. But I'd expect you'd need to like red to do a picture of poppies anyway. And this one, say, is a square. They look nice quality squares. There's no pitting that I can see on the back. I'm not seeing any little nubs on the sides, which can sometimes be a bit of a pain with squares, but I'm not seeing any. And as I say, I'm not seeing any pitting on the back either. So at first glance, the diamonds look to be really nice diamonds, which is always good. And I think the picture's gorgeous as well. And once all that's filled in, that will of course pop even more, because there is a mixture of symbols with black lettering on white as well as white lettering on the darker, which can make the picture look a little bit different before you pop those diamonds on. So that's number 2, and then we have a bigger one for number 3. We're like going up in size, because that one is nearer a true 30 by 40. So we have a toolkit. Oh, this one is different. This one is definitely packaged different. This one is a crystal one. See, I forget what I order. So we get a standard toolkit. We have loads of bright coloured crystal diamonds. So let's get in this. What did I order? Who knows? Do you guys know? Because I don't think I know. I think I've forgotten. So of course it takes a little bit to get here, but then not only that, it then takes me a little bit to get the video done. Okay, found the edge. Oh, suspense. I'm actually really wondering which one this is. Okay, right. So that was just an outer wrap. So let's move that. Oh yeah. Okay, memory comes back to me now. Look at this for epic. So these are individual stickers. So these are stickers, each individual, so you can take a butterfly off. And the idea is that you can make a wall mural with these in maybe a kid's room. Of course, I would be very careful if you are actually putting the diamonds where the kids can potentially get them. I would think sealing them would be a good idea, but I love the concept. So just to unroll all of it. So look, oh, it's a height chart. That was it. It's like a height chart for kids, if I remember rightly. No, it's a wall mural. It does have a picture here. Let me... Oh. Look, that is... Oh, I'm hitting the sides of... I'm hitting the back wall of my craft room. There we go. So, it is a wall mural that you can have hanging out of a door or a wall or a corner, whatever it is. Have a little tiger, panda, etc. peeking through. So the tiger, the panda and the giraffe are all one piece, but then you do get all the other individual bits, and you do get a suggestion as to how you can place them on the wall so that you can see them all. So then this one will join up with these. But how much fun would that be to do? And pop up giant stickers. Giant stickers are always a good thing. And the colours are so bright as well. So they're all rhinestones. Look at that, gorgeous. Gorgeous, gorgeous. We do have some plain black, but then we do have some rhinestone black as well. Silver, and of course all the colours of the rainbow, pretty much, for all the funky animals. I'll fight with that in a minute. So that is the selection for today. We have, battery could have just given me 30 more seconds. Okay, so we have a wall mural, a little bit different. We have some poppies in square, and we have round monogram letter that you can get in whatever letter suits you. So thank you DIY Digital Art for sending me these to share with you all, and thank you to all of you guys for watching. Do let me know in the comments down below, what do you think to the idea that you could get diamond painting wall murals? How fun is that? Anyway, thanks for watching, and I'll speak to you all again soon.